Everybody loves the Infusionsoft opt-in plugin for WordPress. No, everyone hates it. So this is, if you do want to use it, this is how do you use it to embed a pop-up on an image, which is a very common thing that most people want to do. So say this is your page and you want people to come to the page, you got your little image here, and you want them to click it and have the little pop-up show like that. Well, how do you make that happen? First, you need to create your pop-up, and you can do that any way you like. Make sure it's the pop-up option. Then you need to go to edit your page that you want the pop-up on. You need to find the image that you want this pop-up to show for, and you need to paste this little bit of text. And I'll just put that into a notepad, and I'll put it in the YouTube video. So you need to paste that little bit of text at the start of the image. You can see that's before the image src, and then you need to paste this at the end of the image. So you've got your starting code, then you have your image code, your image code, and your image ending tag, which is this right here, and then you have your script or your shortcode ending tag there. So then you just simply click done, and now you update the page, and then you can click this and your pop-up will show when it is clicked. So super easy when you know how to do it, but there is one thing that you need to know in addition. It's that you need to have an opt-in ID number. Now, where do you get this opt-in ID number? No one knows, but a workaround is that the opt-in ID number is simply the number that the opt-in form displays in this list. The issue with that is if you ever delete an opt-in form and then you create another opt-in form, that new opt-in form will then take the previous opt-in form's number, which can cause some confusion in the back end here. So never delete an opt-in form is pretty much what you need to do. So if you just go 1, 2, so this is opt-in number 1, this is opt-in number 2. You would also think that when you go to edit this that it would show up in here and you could see it in there, but it doesn't. So there's absolutely no way of knowing what opt-in form number you're referring to unless you don't delete anything, and then you can just simply count them here. But you do need to change this, and it's just simply the number that needs to be changed. So pretty easy when you understand it, but very easy to stuff up if you delete something and you don't keep a record of what the number opt-in form that was. So keep that in mind.
Hi, I'm Mitch Bayless, and if you're looking for someone to help you with your business automation, then click the button below to schedule your free call today. And if you found this video useful, remember to click like, and also subscribe to our channel for more videos.